still a little bit windy, but man, I'll tell you what. That's going, man. That'll be take some wild storms there to put on YouTube.
You know what time it is?
What time is it, Tom?
3 days, right? Yeah.
Wow, look how fast that one's moving. Yeah, the main intense part's just now getting in here. Yep. Sure is. What was that? Oh cow, over there by the mountain, it's downpouring up there. Yeah. People better get home. That covered. Heavy rain, probably some hail mixed in with this. This started out, I had a couple small piece of hail hitting me. Big drops too. Alright, look at this rolling. There's some rumbling over there now. Whole line of them. Well, y'all made it back just in time.
Yeah.
This ain't quite as severe as the one on Wednesday, pretty close to it.
Bring it in. I'll send it. When we get in here.
Got one so far, right?
They were out that way.
That was one that was behind the house that I missed. Let me get over here on this side. Sorry, buddy. Just trying to grab a piece of porch. It's getting pretty wet now. What was that? Oh, I bet it is. Just starting for here. Yeah. I'm getting over here.
Oh, there was one back that way.
Where back?
Wayne's house.
Over here.
Behind Wayne's house.
Oh, there. Oh, okay. Let me one of the ones that's gonna be all over again.
All right. I gotta go get that.
Wow.
I already did that.
Ooh, damn it. I don't. This is part 3 already on here.
You know what?
Yeah, it sure is.
Don't get me where exactly.
I'm going back right here. It's getting wet again. Seen that coming, huh? Yeah, that's what Kevin made a prediction earlier. Said that was what was going to happen. Exact order was going to happen. Yeah, it is. Ah, dang. I'm gonna have to videotape over this way for a little bit because of the. Wow, there's a lot of lighting over that. I'm trying not to touch anything metal. There's so much dang metal around this place. Wow. What just went down? Give me that two-way Tom. What just went down? I think it said something. What happened?
Traffic.
Oh, 10-4.
Kids are not smart off playing in this.
Oh, I know.
Hey, Ted, up that temperature trough as I got here.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
It don't seem like it's going to get real bad.
Well, not as bad as the one on Wednesday was, that's for sure. Or not Wednesday, however, 2 days ago, or 27th was, 2 days ago.
Sunday.
Yep. Yeah, Sunday storm was definitely a lot worse. Of course, this ain't over yet either. Still a lot of whiteness on the mountain there yet. So some of this whiteness here behind the house, and some of it's over that way.
No, do not be intrusive, but happen to shave my fingers.
Try to avoid getting wet, but it's kind of hard to do. Oh, fire trucks are going somewhere and hit something. Hear 'em? But there's still some lightning behind the house yet. There comes the wind again, starting to pick back up. Blue dolphin. Yep. Oh yeah, there's a bolt. Caught that one. Yep. Oh, it's okay. Kids. Kids are tripping. It's them on YouTube. This is lovely Altoona for you. Like, kids, if you see the lightning, you're okay still. When you don't see it, then you gotta worry.
I'm feeling there's going to be some,
Oh, that was intense strike. It was over there. Probably on the other side of town there. I'm guessing some kind of wind damage or lightning or both took place on the other side. There's a lot of fire whistles. There are a lot of sirens on the other side of town yet. Oh, this looks like it's going to be another one of these 4-parters. At least a couple parts anyway. What the heck? Okay, some energy's building up by the wires here because, well, this phone's known to catch orders and energies.
yeah,
I just seen the wires kind of like went transparent for a minute.
interesting.
Yeah. It did that last time when we cut some of these bolts down that way. There's a charge building right over in that area right over here. Ow! Boy, I got a cramp in my damn hand. It's kind of hard to kind of stay dry, you know what I mean? Well, this is not going to be another one of them flood ones, but you know what? When they have less rain like this, there's a lot more lightning. For some reason. There was a little bit of small hail mixed in with us when it first started. During one of them high winds were coming in. That's a combination of debris and dirt I was getting hit with. Yeah, something like that. That bird just landed on the wire, and that's a good place to be, birdie. Yes, absolutely. Oh, wow. No. White, got real white, looks like snow on the mountain. Probably hail up there in the mountain. No funnel cloud nature with this one too much this time, not like the one we had 2 days ago. A lot of energy though, I see a lot of blue energy coming in. Heard that. Man, there's a lot hitting behind the house. Yep. Okay, I want to go in there and look out the other window because I think there's a lot hitting behind the house here. A little bit different direction this time what we had last time. Yep. Ooh.